Today I get up early. I prepare breakfast. I make 2 fried eggs. I toast bread. I have breakfast with tea. I get ready for work. I leave home. I take the bus. The trip is short. I go to the restaurant. I arrive at work. I go to the kitchen. The assistant chef talks to me. He says that today I helped the baker. I meet the baker. He is an old man. He is fat. He is friendly and funny. He says today we make pizza dough. He teaches me the ingredients. There is flour, water, salt, and yeast. We mix the dough in the machine. The dough is ready. The baker looks at me and smiles. He says, "Good job today, my boy." Then he says, "Now comes the best part." I ask, "Which part?" He says, "Cleaning the machine." Then he laughs. I clean the machine carefully. He says that tomorrow I make my first pizza. The day ends. I leave the restaurant. I go back home. I am tired, but happy. Tomorrow I make my first pizza.